Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a wireless doorbell switch. It's very simple, you can make it within a few minutes, and please do try it as it will prevent the spread of coronavirus. So it's my recommendation to please try it. Now let us see how to make it. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. This is proper circuit diagram, but I'll just simplify it for most of you to understand. So yes, this is the simplified circuit diagram in which we have the transistor BC547, 5-volt relay cube, IN4007 diode, and of course the IR sensor module. So these are the connections which are pretty simple. Even if you have any confusion in the part in which I'm making, do refer to the circuit diagram, as this is quite simple to understand and you will be surely be able to make it. Still, if you have any questions related to this, please put it in the comment section. Okay, so first I just solder this 3-pin jumper thing for the IR sensor. Now I just solder this relay cube, which is a 5-volt relay that's triggered on by 5-volt DC, and it can handle a maximum to 220 volt of AC on its coil. Now I'll solder this transistor BC547 as I had referred in the circuit diagram, and I'll start making the connections as per the requirement and in the circuit diagram. Now I'll put this diode IN4007 in its respective place, and it fits well. Now I'll just solder it and continue making the connections. Okay, so far we are good. We have done most of the major connections and our IR sensor fits well over here. Now I've put in the power supply of 5-volt DC through an adapter. I've reduced the size of the adapter so that it fits inside my switchboard, and I'll further reduce it by removing the circuit from the adapter box. So that's how the size will be greatly reduced. Now this is a dummy switch. I've changed the IR sensor because I burnt it by mistakenly, but it's the same thing, just a different sensor. The same IR sensor, just of a different color. Now I'll solder the power wires, positive and negative. Actually, what happened was I had given the opposite power supply to the earlier IR sensor, so it just blew up. So that's why I had to replace it. Yeah, so we are good so far. I'll just make 2 holes for the 2 IR receiver and transmitter to fit over here. And I just have to make the hole a little bit bigger. Yeah, and now both of them fit good. So now I'll just glue it so that it doesn't make any short circuit thing. And now I'll solder a wire to the two main terminals of the relay so that we can connect it to the switch. Okay, so we are good. Yep, and that's done. Okay, so our circuit is ready. Now just glue it all over so that there's no short circuit connection even if a live wire touches it. Okay, so now let's fit it in our switchboard. Remember one thing, that in switchboard there is no neutral wire extension because normally it's not used unless you have a bulb outside your house that's getting power from inside your house. So just do one thing, that from the nearest switchboard just extend a neutral wire to the outside switchboard, as the adapter, that the AC to DC converter, will require both live and neutral wires to work. So please do that. And once that's done, all the connections are made, your circuit will look something like this. Now screw back your switchboard and let's test it. It works great.
Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions related to this video, please post it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.